Aiden Fucci is a juvenile charged with the second-degree murder of Tristan Bailey. The community is outraged. Many are calling that he be charged as an adult. He's 14 years old and would be facing life in prison. What does Florida law say about treating juveniles as adults? That's up next. In Florida, when the state attorney's office decides to file charges against a child as an adult, it's called direct file. The laws regarding filing charges as an adult vary based upon the age of the child. Since we're talking about juvenile justice, the first place we're going to go is Florida State Statutes, chapters 985. When you get there, we're going to scroll down to part 10. This whole thing is about juvenile justice. We're going to the part having to do with filing charges on children and treating them like adults. For Fucci's case, we're going to be looking at Florida State Statutes 985.557. Let's take a look at that now. Discretionary direct file. That just means they have a choice. They can do this. It's not mandatory. That's not compulsory. With respect to any child who is 14 or 15 years of age at the time the alleged offense was committed. That's what we have here. The state attorney may file an information. That's a filing of formal charges. An information is just the document that's the official charging affidavit. The state attorney may file an information when in the state attorney's judgment and discretion, the public interest requires that adult sanctions be considered or imposed, and when the offense charged is for the commission of arson, sexual battery, robbery, kidnapping, aggravated child abuse, aggravated assault, aggravated stalking, or murder. The list goes on, but we need not go further because we have murder. He's charged with second-degree murder, punishable by life in prison. The law is clear. Under Florida State Statute 985.557, subsection 1, the state attorney's office has legal authority to direct file charges on Aiden for this murder. Second-degree murder is punishable by life in prison. Do you believe that any 14-year-old should spend life in prison? Leave your comments down below. Prayers to the family of Tristan. Prayers to the family of Aiden.